Let's get to the point. You can ride the horse by the beach at this unique and modern resort in Batangas. And it's in the beautiful Tana Beach Villas in Lian, Batangas. Pwede mong i-combine ang sea plus horse. So parang seahorse din talaga. I also really loved how modern and beautifully brutalist all concrete ang aesthetic ng villas nila. Kasi bihira mag-modern ang mga resort kasi most of the time bahay kubo ang design nila, and I'm absolutely obsessed with this brutalist aesthetic. And my turtle rescue advocacy din sila. They rescue injured sea turtles and protect sea turtle eggs till they are ready to hatch. You can see the turtles na healing pa in person there. And let's be honest, I was invited by Tana Beach Villas to stay and dine at their place, pero I paid for the optional horseback ride and it costs 1,500 pesos. Sulit siya para magulat ang lahat sa horseback ride profile photo mo for 2025. And the horseback ride helps the locals earn an additional income also. And it's just 2.5 hours from Quezon City. Actually, aminin natin, minsan mas matagal pa ang traffic sa EDSA than going to Tano Villas. Please message them directly for inquiries and bookings. And here are the 15 details that positively stood out. Number 1, impressive na as soon as you arrive, may free 5-minute massage na. Sana all hotels and resorts ganito ka-thoughtful. Number 2, gorgeous ang room. A very modern na bahay kubo. Number 3, gorgeous ang pool facing the sea. Number 4, hindi common ang chance to ride a horse by the sea and I love that Tana Villas has that option. Number 5, may bonfire para makapag-s'mores ka while burning memories of your ex. Number 6, panalong injured turtle rescue advocacy nila. And you can visit the rescued turtles there, pero maliit lang ang area. Number 7, may mga dumadaan na nagbebenta ng danggit and ice cream. I hope someone combines danggit and ice cream one of these days. Feeling ko bagay ang salty sweet nito. Number 8, masarap and malambot yung bulalo soup nila. Number 9, masarap ang tanige steak nila. Number 10, masarap and malambot yung tapa nila na proudly from Batangas. Number 11, masarap ang bacon and pepperoni pizza. Number 12, I love that they serve kapeng barako kasi kilala ang Batangas for that. Number 13, super bango ng hand soap nila sa bathroom. Parang may olive oil infusion. Number 14, I love their 1-hour massage sa room. Number 15, they have a special villa na on the second floor with a great view of the sea. Sarap magka-jowa in the same villa, sana all and sana soon. I have 2 suggestions for them. Number 1, indicate on their menu that their coffee and tapa are from Batangas para may sense of pride na from Batangas sila and para magka-context ang food. Number 2, find ways to incorporate the turtle rescue sa guest experience for free. Maybe guests can help feed them para added awareness then about environmental topics. Overall, I will positively remember Tana Beach Villas for a long time, not just for their unique, gorgeous modern aesthetic, but also for the horseback ride by the sea. Click follow for the next story.